Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, fully automatic headlights, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.